So let's talk about strategies on how to respond and plan ahead. Look at the whole funnel. Everything in your funnel for talent attraction and talent acquisition is going to have a change, is going to be impacted in some way. Now, that's an opportunity to strategize. That is where you can look at what can I do to make a difference for what I know is coming. Awareness, your media and your promotions, those things are probably going to need to change. Use data in order to be able to understand those things. Consideration, make sure you have relevant content for people to look at, to understand what they care about. Updating FAQs, very important, as people are asking different questions than they have in the past, and that is a lot around safety and health concerns. And interest, right? If people are expressing interest, make sure you're engaging them so that you have a positive brand experience to further assist them in their conversion. Apply. Just because someone applies doesn't mean it's over yet. They're still going to have questions, especially as you're probably trying to figure out how to navigate the new process for how to get an applicant all the way through onboarding. There's going to be a lot of confusion to the candidate on how to do that as well. So you need to make sure you're addressing and updating frequently asked questions. Apply screening. This is virtual recruitment. You got to look for ways to be able to improve your efficiency in this area. And last is onboarding. You need to create efficiency on onboarding in a virtual world. Responding to the impact of COVID, what we reviewed today is that the talent market has changed. Virtual hiring is necessary. Remote workforces have become essential, and employer brand experience and messaging is crisis critical. But I'd like to pause on that one moment and just say, these things are areas that were important already. Employer brand is always important. The impact of COVID is that it's made it crisis critical. Remote workforces were adapting. Now it's essential. Virtual hiring were things that people were putting on their list and hope to evolve towards, but now it's necessary. The talent market is always changing. It changes every day based on supply and demand. It's like a stock market in the talent market, but there has been a significant shift, and data is necessary for you to understand your impact. So if I could leave you with one thing that you need to do, it's to keep calm and carry on. And what I mean by this is a message about resilience. This is a message about not just surviving, but knowing that these things were important. They're continuing to be important. They're not new, they just have changed their priorities. So if you look at the information that we have at hand, recovery is inevitable. When? Depends on your location, your business, and the markets. There are things you can control, and there's things that you can't. What you can control are your actions, your response. If we keep calm and we carry on, we will be resilient together.